Federal appeals court will now decide whether a John Doe investigation into conservative groups in the state can go forward.
A three-judge panel heard oral arguments in downtown Chicago this afternoon, and that's where we find political reporter Jessica Arp.
Well, attorneys for state prosecutors today argue that the John Doe investigation should continue, while attorneys for a state conservative organization argued that their free speech rights are being violated if the investigation does continue. Three judges at the 7th Circuit Court of Appeals heard the case, 2 Republican appointees and 1 Democratic appointee. Judges peppered attorneys from both sides with questions about the state's John Doe laws and whether federal courts should be involved in the case at all. Afterward, attorneys at the federal courthouse were mixed about what the results would be.
So I think the panel understood our profound discomfort of our clients with the kind of toll this investigation has taken on their First Amendment protected interest, the fact that they shut down their ability to engage in issue advocacy in a way that disproportionately burdened the conservative and right of center.
It's hard to tell, and I think that the arguments speak for themselves. But from our point of view, we feel privileged to represent our clients, who are the epitome of integrity.
The John Doe investigation has been looking into the Club for Growth and other conservative groups and whether they coordinated with Governor Scott Walker's recall election campaign in 2011 and 2012. Now, 2 of the judges on this panel expressed skepticism about whether the federal court should be intervening in a state case at all. One judge saying he didn't want to superintend state courts' day-to-day decisions. Now, a lower court judge did put a stop to this John Doe investigation and proceedings earlier this year in a scathing decision, and it's unclear at this point when the appeals court will come down with a ruling on this and exactly how any of this may affect conservative groups' participation in the election coming up in just a couple of months. We should note that no one has been charged in this investigation, and prosecutors have said that the governor is not a target.
All right, Jessica Arp reporting live for us tonight in Chicago. Jessica, thank you.